Beneath the crystal waters of the sea lies a world full of wonders and creatures you've never seen. Among the dolphins, turtles and fish, a mermaid sang a song of harmony and bliss. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you love Disney or the Little Mermaid and everything under the sea, then this DIY is for you. I would absolutely love if you can help me reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of July, so if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that you want to get yourself is a nice big glass jar like this one. And we're also going to be using some sand. So I've got some sand in this bowl here. So the very first thing you're going to start off with is placing your sand inside your container. Next you're going to start decorating inside your jar, and to do that you might want to get a few items like some shells, some starfish, I bought some glass pebbles. I might not include all of this, and of course you're going to want to have a Little Mermaid topper. This is actually for a cake. It was much cheaper, so I will leave this in the description box for you to buy if you like. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my artificial plant, and this you can find in a pet shop. They're generally for fish tanks. Place it inside your container, and the sand is going to help weigh it down. So you want to just put it inside the sand and cover. And the next part is really easy. You're going to just take your Little Mermaid and place her into your bowl. Make sure that you push her into the sand. Like that. And the next part is really easy. All you have to do is just take your decorations, choose whatever you like, and just pop them into the container. Again, if you can just push them into the sand, that will just help them stay put and not float up when we add the water. So after you have completed all of your decorating inside and your jar is ready, we're going to take some blue food colouring, and you're going to pop this inside with some water. And this is how your piece should look at the moment. Magical, right? So you're going to put this aside for now, and this step is optional, but I'm going to be taking my lid and I'm going to decorate the lid as well. So to decorate the lid, I am taking some Mod Podge. I'm also taking some white sand and some spray adhesive. I've also got this hairband, and I'm going to take the starfish off using some pliers and then sticking that down with some hot glue onto the lid. And this DIY is just great to do with your children. I'm sure they will absolutely love this. It's easy, it's fun, and it's quick to do. I think that this DIY is perfect for room or home decor, as well as a really nice handmade gift for someone. So I've just applied some Mod Podge all over the lid there. And then I'm taking my white sand and sprinkling that all over the lid. Once you've completely covered your lid with sand, you're going to take some heavy duty spray adhesive and then just spray that all over your lid. So I'm going to do that outside and come back. So I'm back now and my lid is all done. So adding the spray adhesive just helps the sand stay intact. And now I'm going to take the hairband that I showed you all before and just take the starfish off using some pliers. Now I'm just going to take some hot glue, place a little in the center, and then just stick that to the lid. Ta-da! There we have the finished DIY, simple yet effective. I think decorating the lid was a good call and just added a nice touch to this DIY. It's very cooling and relaxing to look at as well. So there you have it, you've captured the Little Mermaid under the sea in a container. If you have enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and I also have a dry snow globe and a summer snow globe yet to do, so if you want to see those, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. So that's it from me for now, take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next DIY, bye!